Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about sweet. I think everybody loves sweet, and the commonest sweet actually used in our food is the sugar. It is present most of the sweets and many beverages and many products. And sugar comes with its own package. If you take lot of sugar, then there will be weight gain, there will be obesity, there will be metabolic syndrome, then there will be your diabetes, hypertension, kidney disease, heart disease. It is a complete package. So everybody fears taking lot of sugar. Then the search for a substitute which can substitute sugar but without its package. So artificial sweeteners came to the play in the world, and the commonest artificial sweetener used in the world is the aspartame. And today I will discuss about the different aspect, the bads and goods of aspartame, and everybody should take a informed decision whether they should continue aspartame or not. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener. So it is a synthetic chemical composed of phenylalanine aspartic acid with a methyl ester. When consumed, the methyl ester breaks down into methanol, which may be converted into formaldehyde. And there are 4 calories per gram, similar to sugar, but it is 200 times sweeter than the sugar. So that is why when you take very less amount, so it does not add much to your weight gain. As the popularity of aspartame increase in the world, now almost more than 6,000 products contains aspartame. The most important is Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, artificially sweetened drinks, sugar-free hard candies, ketchup, sauce, dressings, children's medicines, vitamins and cough drops, and most importantly in India, sweets and biscuits. But initially it was thought that aspartame is a very safe thing to take, but decades of experience, investigation and research now found that there are lot of health risks if you are continuing taking aspartame in good amount or in a large amount. So what are the health effects of aspartame on our health? So one of the most important thing is the cancer. So what type of cancer? Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, multiple myeloma in men, and leukemia in men and women. So you can suffer from cancer. Also brain tumors. So there are a lot of data available now. They shows that somebody can develop brain tumors if they take a large quantities of aspartame in their diet. So the other things actually as we thought that aspartame will not increase our weight because its calories are less, but experience now shows that there is not only increase in the weight, but there is increase in the waist circumference. There is higher intensity of obesity, hypertension, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular events if you are continuing taking aspartame for a longer time and higher doses. Similarly, if somebody is taking a diet soda daily, are almost 3 times as likely to develop stroke and dementia as those who consume it weekly or less. So this included higher risk of ischemic stroke, where blood vessels in the brain becomes obstructed, and Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The most common form of dementia reported in a 2017 study in stroke, and it also can cause seizures. So other neurotoxicity are the brain damage and mood disorders. So there will be learning problems, headache, convulsion, migraine, irritable moods, anxiety, depression, insomnia, uh, many other neurological complications if somebody is taking aspartame regularly. Also, it has bad effect on kidney function. So, consumption of more than 2 servings a day of artificially sweetened soda is associated with a twofold increase odds for kidney function decline in women, according to 2011 study published in Clinical Journal American Society of Nephrology. Already I mentioned that contrary to our belief, though it contains less calorie, weight gain and there is increased appetite and obesity related problems if somebody is continue consuming aspartame. Similarly, there is intestinal dysbiosis which leads to metabolic derangement and obesity. So once these artificial sweeteners can induce glucose intolerance by altering the gut microbiota, according to a study published in 2014 in Nature. So it also affect pregnancy abnormality which can cause preterm birth. Aspartame can cause early puberty and menarche, and in males it can cause impotency and sperm damage. It does not leave also the liver, which can be damaged by aspartame, and it also cause glutathione depletion, which again it makes the liver susceptible for damage. So who are the people should avoid aspartame? Pregnant and lactating women, children, diabetics, patients who are suffering from migraine, epilepsy and phenylketonuria. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any new video. This is a channel actually meant for public education by a doctor for general public. Thank you.